Alright, so this is our wall track here. We had it pre-cut based off our pre-cut list. We're going to be running our flange to the outside of the room. We need to make about 1.25 inch relief cut on this side, so when we set it into our base, this outside leg will sit over the outside. Our inside leg will tuck inside on the inside. So I made my notch, came up just about 1.25 inches. What I want to do is burn the paint, but I don't want to cut into that metal. I want that relief cut tight up against that leg as we can get it without cutting through the metal. Alright, so we have our wall plate cut the length based off our pre-cut list. I have my relief cut in the bottom. That's going to let this outer leg sit outside. And the inner leg is going to sit inside the track. We have the back of this track wiped down clean with alcohol. We have our 2 beads of continuous 1/2 inch bead silicone. We get the wall track set. Then we're going to be using our 1/4x2 lag bolt anchors. Those 1/4x2s will be placed 2 every 16 inches up the track. Once we have this set, we want to make sure we get this bottom edge siliconed in real nice and good. It's a real important seal that we need to keep dry for 15 years.